Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use romaine lettuce. First, select fresh romaine by looking for vibrant green leaves and firm, crisp ribs. Avoid any heads with wilting or brown spots. Next, wash the lettuce thoroughly under cool running water, separating the leaves to remove any dirt. Finally, pat it dry or use a salad spinner. Store unwashed romaine in a plastic bag in your refrigerator's crisper drawer for up to 10 days to maintain its freshness. Romaine lettuce truly shines in salads, offering a delightful crunch and mild flavor. It's the undisputed star of the classic Caesar salad, providing the perfect crisp base for creamy dressing, croutons, and Parmesan cheese. Beyond Caesar, its sturdy leaves are excellent for holding up to various dressings and toppings without wilting quickly. Feel free to mix it with other greens, fresh vegetables, and your favorite proteins for a satisfying and healthy meal. While famous for salads, romaine lettuce offers exciting possibilities beyond the bowl. Try grilling romaine halves for a surprisingly delicious and smoky flavor. A light char adds a wonderful depth. Its large, sturdy leaves also make excellent low-carb wraps for tacos, burgers, or chicken salad, providing a fresh alternative to bread. You can even lightly sauté chopped romaine with a touch of garlic and olive oil for a quick, warm, and nutritious side dish. Romaine lettuce isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins and K, crucial for vision and bone health, respectively. You'll also get a good amount of folate, which supports cell function, and dietary fiber, aiding digestion. To boost your daily intake, consider adding a handful of romaine to your morning smoothie or using it as a base for a vibrant green juice. Enjoy this versatile and healthy vegetable often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.